What's up, Block fam? Next episode on the... He keeps on trying to mess up my intro. What's up, guys? So next episode on the OG Sportster here that we are putting a hammer kit onto. It's been a while since you guys have seen an episode on this. If you don't know what this is the bike that started my YouTube channel. This is the what I call the OG Sportster. It's a Harley-Davidson Iron 883, and it is not going to be an 883 for long because over here we have... Whoa! Hey! Over here we have a sick wide glide. Master level tech, 24 years experience. You guys be sure to go follow him at Sick Wide Glide. Do me a favor on his most... Are you on 25 years experience? Ooh, man, I'm gonna have to adjust my muscle memory. You guys be sure to go give Chris a follow on his most recent photo. Comment how cool he is. Also, we got Zuko down here. Shot pup.
What up, dog?
Bark, bark. So, parts in. It's been a couple months since we recorded that last video. We got stuff back from Powder, which we got done at B&J Powder Coating. We got stuff back from Bombshell Deluxe, who did the custom paint. This is what we call a red patina. We've also got a tuner in from Dynajet Power Vision. We have this box here.
What is in that box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
The box here, which says, in case of shit talk, use hammer. Yep. Since that bike is a Sportster, it has received plenty of shit talk. So since we've gotten shit talk, I guess we'll go ahead and use the hammer. I have the power! Bunch of damn packing peanuts.
Ghost turds.
Ghost turds. Let's just get all those in there. All right, and here's all the stuff. So we're not going to unbox all of this stuff just yet. What we're going to do is we're actually going to make that a roller again. So we're going to get the wheel bearings in, reassemble the hubs, get the tires back on the wheels, get the wheels back on the bike, and then roll the bike over here so that it's easier to work since all the tools are here. Also, the Zuko is over here. So if I stray too far, he gets a little whiny. Just go ahead and do that. The reassembly, the rebuild of the OG Sportster, AKA the you Sportster. Zuko, what you doing? Yeah. Take a nap, bud. Take a nap. Well, in order to turn the bike into a roller, we have to get the tires mounted onto the wheels. And since I'm not experienced at that, I don't want to mess up. So this guy who is experienced with it, actually 25 years, my bad. 25 years experience. We're gonna have him mount some mount some tires.
Always with this.
Always.
Every time. That shit. 40.
40.
I got me a 40.
Like you're the little center of attention. Is that you now? You're the center of attention? Come here, center of attention. Go over here. Okay, let's go change the tire. Come on.
Always got a pressure, bro.
Where you going? Get over here. Sonic and Knuckles.
Fire nice.
Fire nice, yeah.
This is a cardboard save-a wheel.
Save-a wheel?
Save-a wheel.
Cardboard save-a wheel.
And that's how the save-a wheel works.
Apparently you guys really enjoy when Chris uses the torque wrench. Do that one. Now that one. This one after that. That one now. Woo!
Last one.
Yeah. Hit me with the click click. All right, now the master level tech with 25 years experience is putting in a bearing this side, that side, and he's gradually squeezing them together so that they set. He put a spacer in between.
Aussie man, huh?
You know how you say this in Australian?
I do.
Rise up lights. Rise up lights. So I say that in Australian.
Oh.
How to speak Australian.
From Blockhead. You know, you got plenty of Australian fans.
Yeah. Shout out to all my Australian fans. Sorry for butchering your accent. Yeah! 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 Zuko's awake now, which means he gets to work with us. Getting the wheels back on the Sporty so that we can roll it. Front one coming up. Hey, we got the wheel on. All right. That's teamwork, bro. Yeah. No, man, you gotta do that. No, no. You, there, and then you do. Yep. Tick, tick. So what is this? Aligning the axle?
Correct. So what we need is a foam piece with a... We need something different. This is for older school shit. I'm gonna say that's pretty close to centered, right? By eye.
Yep.
Holy shit, that looks pretty damn good to me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with it.
Tracks to the center. All right, guys, we got the bike off the lift from over here. I had to go walk the dog, so we missed some footage. Sorry about that. Y'all know how that is. Responsibilities of having a puppy. Boop. Bro, I am literally less than a couple feet away from you. Hey, chill, Mr. Separation Anxiety. We got the fender wheels, rolled it over. We got the lights remounted, wired back up. The chingaderas. That probably means something and you just don't know it. It's like terrible that you're using that word.
That's true.
Any of you guys out there know what that word means?
YouTube land's gonna be like, oh,
I'm pretty sure it's a bad word. It sounds like a bad Spanish word that I've heard. So we loaded everything up from the other lift, put it all onto here. So we got all the stuff over here, and then all the new Hammer Performance right now.
Day 2.
In the process of becoming a 1275, so got all the parts back from paint, powder. Over on this shelf here, got other parts for paint, powder, tank, upper rocker box covers, push rod tubes, lower tappet pieces. We're kind of pressed for time, honestly, so there's a lot of other things in movement right now that y'all aren't seeing that we have to hit some deadlines. Yeah, you guys will see. Good stuff coming, good stuff.
There's a lot coming. There's a lot.
I'm gonna go ahead, remove the controls on this side, cam cover, rear cover there, because we're doing cams. Pretty. Yeah. I don't even have to say the name anymore. I just say pretty and he looks.
Because he knows his name.
That's right. Got him trained up.
Oh no! On the new shoes.
Oh no, that's the first time I've ever seen that.
A few moments later.
Guys, he's like super pissed off. I'm kind of scared, bro.
How you clean a shoe?
Chris, what inspired you to spill oil on your shoe?
Suck a Yeah.
Damn, that was weird, like an echo. How to clean shoes with Sick Wide Glide. What are you using here, bro?
Brake clean.
Pretty clean.
Yep. Brake clean.
And an air compressor.
There you go. There's no oil anywhere.
There you go. Brake clean on shoes. Bro, I got some oil on my boots. What do I do?
I don't give a
What do I do, Chris?
Boots don't mean shit.
Chris, look! There's oil! Help me! All right, man. back to what we were doing.
That's what's in there if ever you were curious.
Whoa, whoa.
For those of you that say, I wonder what's in my little cover there. Well, here you go.
Yeah.
Bunch of cams.
You looked at the new cams on this one already, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a load comparison with the cams. All right, and this is the new ones. These are Hammer cams too. Stock cam, lumpy cam. Stock cam, Hammer lumpy cam. All right, so it's been decided, guys. We're gonna buy Chris shoe covers, and we're gonna call him Dr. Sick Wide Glide. Operating lift 1. I kind of like it, Dr. Sick Wide Glide. You're the Moto doc.
Go away.
So Chris says the
Go away.
his glasses are causing a refraction for him to be able to see his laces. And
one is dirty and one is off white. The right one is off white. This one is white. Y'all can't see that from here, because I can.
nope.
Shit's bothering me.
It's a shoe episode, not a. It really is the you Sportster. It's just causing all this other you.
Let me have my Frappuccino in peace.
It's okay, Dr. White. Go ahead.
You want to hit up Starbucks and get a mocha choco bullshit before we go to Toys R Us?
You're not cool.
That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Right.
See, the lobe will hit the. There you go. You have to hold your tongue right. There you go. Money.
Good. 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 Good.
Sure? Yeah. Jump. Yeah.
Blockhead thing has to come off because it doesn't match anymore. Ah! Look at that.
Head on that.
Look at the head on now.
All right. So what is the significance of the head on this?
Well, that's a very tall pop top piston. Considering this is what you had, or what you have now.
All right. So this is stock 883
See its
pistons.
little pop top right here?
Yeah.
About the size of a 50-cent piece. Look at that one. It's the entire piston.
Quite a bit larger.
And I have to say that the good people at Hammer did half the assembly for us already, which is super nice.
So what were you saying?
They already installed the rings. They even put one of the keepers in.
That's pretty badass, though. Thank you, Hammer. Appreciate you
Thank you guys.
making the job easier for sure.
Dude, I wish everybody did that for us. That'd be awesome.
Hammer. It's hammer time.
Stop. Hammer time.
Cylinder's ready. Look at these pistons off. All right, gaskets. What is it, Cometic? Cometic. Oh, there you go. Oh, you up now, bud?
Now I have to get that right in there.
Front. More gaskets.
Yeah, that really helped, didn't it?
All right, Sick Wide Glide, what are we looking at with these heads, man? Explain why they're special.
Do you see all this stuff? You want to know why they're special? Because somebody wrote Blockhead
Because it
on them.
says Blockhead on it.
Valve springs, the angle of the valves. This has all been re-welded and recut. These are now at a different angle, so they actually changed the angle that these enter the head. They've been ported. They've been
Got that little D, what do they call that?
D-chambered.
Crazy. A lot of precision work.
D-shaped port, and I believe
Manifold.
so small compared to the 131.
Right. It's so crazy to me that it puts out like kind of the power that we're.
This hole is going to potentially put out what we're shooting for 130, right? 130 horsepower.
Well,
And I wish we had the 131 sitting here.
so yeah, pretty insane seeing the comparison of like this, you know, a Sportster Evo as compared to the M8, because the M8 is so much larger, you're moving way more air, but power-wise, I mean, this is going to be 120, 130s.
Yes.
We'll get it tuned up, but this is about 200 pounds lighter than the Softail,
Yep.
which is, what do you think, Pretty?
Oh, it's gonna be fast.
Oh yeah. Tenderloins.
Tenderloin.
Beef.
Tenderloins. Yeah? You excited about that?
Yeah.
You're so excited?
I'm very excited. I'm not gonna eat lunch.
Skipping lunch. So we got more room for beef tenderloins.
The beef tenderloin.
The beef.
Get 4 new long ones.
Thought you were gonna pet him. All right, now we're putting on the manifold. Chris is putting on the manifold, my bad. I've been kicked from my own project for the sake of time. But I mean, I took it off, so you guys don't know I can do it.
Well,
Nah.
this won't all get done today anyways. We still need exhaust, we need other things, so
Yeah,
all those joys that you guys at home don't get to be a part of.
Yeah.
The waiting on back-ordered shit.
Yep.
The non-availability of parts right now thanks to I don't know what, but for some reason we can't get supplies and
Oh, it's nice. Blockhead. All right, we forgot to put this brass oil pump, brass piece. It's apparently a weak link when it's stock, so go ahead and take this back off. That piece right there. All right, got that brass piece in.
And where did you get your torque spec?
Hammerperformance.com. The factory torque spec on the pinion nut, which is 35 to 45 foot-pounds, is proven woefully inadequate to hold the pinion gear in place when high-pressure valve springs are used. Highly recommend using this nut to 70 foot-pounds instead. Loctite red on the threads as per the manual, and be sure to lock the pinion shaft on the pinion side before torquing the nut. Bam, all that stuff. I'll drop a link to this just so you guys can see it as well, but it is a very detailed walkthrough of the install with pictures. Do one of these. And it's on. Gaskets. Yee. Because America. Zuko, inspect this. Is that good?
What would happen if...
Zuko said it's good.
Oh, well.
Ooh, S&S roller rockers.
Yeah, man.
Hells yeah,
Only
shout
the
out
best.
S&S.
Only the best.
Get your roll on. Everybody get your mother roll on.
You're such a child.
That's fine. Just like a majority of the people watching. We're all children, bro.
We're all children.
Yeah, our toys get more expensive.
Growing up, bro. Peter Pan complex.
That's right. Peter Pan complex. Assembly lube.
Tell them what it smells like. Remember we played this game before.
Chemicals. Bro.
No, smell that. Tell them what
No, man, I don't want to put my nose up to it because you're going to touch my face.
There's one. How many people are going to sit there and go, how come you didn't know I don't have friends?
I love how aware of the YouTube comment sections you've become. Like,
Section. Nothing better to do but sit around and go, I didn't see you put oil on that. There's a lot you didn't see. You didn't see me scratch my ass 2 minutes ago either. We edited that shit out too.
Chris.
He has become disgruntled.
Oh, do you guys remember when we first started making videos? My, how he's grown. Welcome to YouTube.
It almost matches.
Right? All right, guys, we're wrapping up for the day with the Sportster. We'll continue, what, Tuesday or something? Maybe, we'll see.